Tai Shuo, a talented Hmong dance group from Sacramento, California, embodies all who witness their performances under the guidance of Susan Vane at M. Swan's Dance Institute. These 14 talented girls have come together to celebrate their heritage and share their passion with the world. With a collective passion for dance, these gifted performers seek to motivate and inspire, honoring the diversity and beauty of individual expression. Through their unwavering commitment and perseverance, they have formed a lifelong bond, one that embodies the values of kindness, compassion, and teamwork. As they take the stage, they are ready to mesmerize audiences with their skill, charisma, and warmth. Let's welcome Tai Shuo!
Nhớ rồng đời nồng bây giờ bán xài shen kệ hu ua xài yên xua nú nọ bây giờ nó shen kệ ua cho kén yo cho nhẹ thiết gì đúng chiên trà chiên gì ua tao muốn cho xìa thiết tao ua cá nông chợ ấy nú nọ ấy thiết lo chen lên ua trao đâu nhẹ thiết gì cho kệ hú